Check it out. I got this from a junk removal and that. All these different fittings. Yep. Free roto zip. I ain't bullshitting. Yep. It's working, boy. It's working. Shit. Keep trying to tell y'all, man. I don't know what the hell you use this big one. What would you use? This big ass red y'all, man. Some on the diesel truck. But hell yeah, man. I gotta find all this right here. I left this outside. It got wet. Yeah. Yep. All that's from a junk removal. For real. Oh yeah, I need to put all that in the garage. Not this. This. Yep. Put that all in the garage. Anyway. Hell yeah, man. I'm good to go. Homeboy came in. See, this is not this one. I ain't selling this one. Man, I got I got two of them right here in the backyard. This dog right here. Shit, I got, my other one over here in the back of the trailer. Hell yeah, man. But it's good. Shit. Anyway, but yeah, I done found my shit, man. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Don't play with me, man. All you gotta do is get some tools, some wood, watch the people on it's one dude. If you got a whole lot of money, you gotta have a whole lot of money. It's a guy I follow. Yeah, the machine be $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. I ain't got it like that. You know? But just go on there and follow them dudes, man. And they'll show you step by step. You know, get you a Craig jig, pocket hole, and some clamps, and get you some motherfucking money, man. Stop playing. You know, it be blowing me away. People come on the internet, man, trip this. And I'm serious, man. People will make up a dummy account, these fake accounts, and then just be on the internet trolling people, following motherfuckers. I know it's people from my hood, man, following me instead of getting your motherfucking ass. I'm going to tell you something else I want to do, I swear, and I'm going to do it. But I got to go back to Cali. I'm going to go to this Oaksterdam University, they call it. I want to learn how to grow that bomb-ass weed. Man, I saw a dude on Viceland, a youngster, man, making $100,000. He don't have a dispensary. All he do is just grow bomb-ass medical, that top shelf shit. $100,000 a month. And he sells to the dispensaries. And this dude is a master grower. I got at him and asked him, man, you know, how did you learn? Oaksterdam University. Hell yeah. That's why I be tripping on people. You live in California, any one of these states where it's legal. And you mean to tell me, man, you ain't learned how to grow weed knowing everybody smoking that shit? Man, you crazy. See, some people, man, got opportunities and they just let them pass them by. You crazy than a motherfucker. Better get up off of your ass and get that money, man. Wishing ain't gonna get shit. Right.